Welcome to Cricket Caviar. Today we are going to give you a preview of this upcoming series between West Indies and South Africa in West Indies.
Let's
Still
do
a
it.
part of World Test Championship. So this series is actually bigger than England versus New Zealand series. June and the second Test match is on 18th of June, which is ironically the same day as the World Test Championship final.
यार ये लोग क्या मजाक कर रहे हैं। मतलब एक तरफ वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप का फाइनल शुरू हो रहा है और दूसरे तरफ ये लोग अभी खेल रहे हैं। मतलब
Yeah.
this is
दूसरी तरफ these bottom two teams are
to
deciding.
yeah, मतलब this is really pointless. Anyway, my only interest towards this series is to see the resurgence of West Indies cricket. You know, बांग्लादेश में जैसे वो लोग जीते हैं जाके, रकीम
Very inspiring.
कॉर्नवॉल and Craig Brathwaite का leadership. I want to see West Indies मतलब grow, and Kyle Mayers, my favorite all-rounder, who just scored 200 in a chase. That was just awesome. I hope he produces more such innings.
Talking about Hope, I'm watching this series for Shea Hope. I'm really thinking that he'll be back in the 11 now. He was dropped after he failed in that English series. It was a tough series for him, and he's back. And one of my favorite all-rounders, Roston Chase, is back. So those two are, I think, gonna give very hard time to South Africa.
Yeah, so here's how the
And-
squads look, guys. So as we have with the new look of West Indies, Brathwaite and Blackwood are the captain and the vice captain.
Oh, Blackwood is
have,
vice captain. Wow, yeah.
Even I didn't know that.
yeah, and
That's a
then
big one.
yeah, we have the usual players: Holder, Jari Joseph, Kyle Mayers, Kyren Pawar, Kemar Roach. There are few
Yeah,
names even I'm reading for the first time, but yeah, this is how West Indies looks now.
यार Blackwood पक्का flop होगा, लेकिन देखना इस बार वो
उसने इंग्लैंड में अच्छा खेला था, तब से उसको खिला ही रहे हैं. Let's see how it
Yeah,
goes.
I think
वो मेरा
I think
dream
Darren
11 का
Bravo.
captain बन रहा है और flop हो रहा है बस.
It will be interesting to see who will play, either Darren Bravo or Kyle Mayers. I think Bonner should play because he has again shown that he has a really good test game. He was very impressive. And Joshua Da Silva is a
Jomel Borikan is also a good spinner. He bowled well in Bangladesh.
Yeah. So there might be a scenario if the pitch has assistance for spinners, both Cornwall and Jomel Borikan can play. And then
Guys, Dream 11 mein you will go with more players from West Indies or more players from South Africa?
7
who do
players
you
from
think
West
is the-
Indies.
I think
Do you
it'll
Seven
think
still
players
West
go.
Indies is
Indies.
the favorite? Do you think West Indies is the favorite to win this series?
Yeah, you can't always say they're in
Yeah,
team.
just before that, I want to say that the trio of West Indies, the fast bowlers will be hard to handle for the South Africans.
These
Jason
guys are
Holder,
better fast
Roach,
bowlers.
and
They have
Shannon
Rabada and
Gabriel.
they have Nokia also.
Also, I want to mention that Kemar Roach is coming back from England after a very good county stint. So he's all set to go.
South Africa में Marco Jansen, the Mumbai Indians में हम लोग ने थोड़ा देखा था कि he is a tall bowler और अच्छा bounce है.
Yeah,
I
really tall.
think the test format will suit him better than the T20 format. Okay, South Africa में Marco Jansen, the Mumbai Indians में हम लोग ने थोड़ा देखा था कि he is a tall bowler और अच्छा bounce है.
Yeah,
I
really tall.
think the test format will suit him better than the T20 format.
Yeah, Maharaj is a fighter. He can pick some wickets with his spin. And then there is Rabada, so at least they know who their pace leader is. And then I feel again Markram, it's like it can be a career defining series for him. He has always disappointed the fans, but he has some talent, like the way he plays his shots. So it will be interesting to watch Markram and of course Shikhar's favorite Rassie van der Dussen. So
And
there is some hope for South Africa.
Yeah, they
and
have.
my another favorite
good
is
play.
Vian Mulder. I really like that all-rounder.
Oh,
मतलब
acha.
Yeah.
He's
an all-rounder.
very
I
good in
didn't know
South
that.
African
Sorry.
conditions. He's very good in South African condition, but we have to see what he will do in West
Yeah.
Indies.
So these guys still have a decent batting lineup. They have Elgar, they have De Kock, Babuma might be good. They have Van der
Peacock
Dussen.
ko
Yeah.
to I don't consider him as a good test batsman. The way he played in Pakistan,
Not
he was
anymore.
getting out. मतलब कि पहले ball आके he was starting to slog. I didn't understand his approach in Pakistan. I think he was the sole responsible for the loss in Pakistan. Really, I'm pissed
That
off
was
with
a-
De Kock.
Yeah,
that was
me
a
too,
really
yeah.
bad series for these
I
guys.
was a fan of De Kock when he played some valuable innings going in Australia, helping South Africa win a series in Australia in 17 or 18. but after that, his Test career has just gone downwards. Shikhar, what is your series prediction, and who will be your fantasy captain or vice captain? If you please share.
See, already मेरे fantasy pick से तुम लोग ने सबने काइल जेमिसन को पिक किया है, ठीक है? तो फॉल, ठीक है? And the another thing is obviously Dean Elgar is the big contender for captain because he's a consistent opener and always scores runs, and he's a very gritty opener, although he looks very ugly on the eyes.
Yeah, just like
People like
Rory
Pratik
Burns.
still don't like him. पता नहीं क्यों. People like Pratik still don't like him. Really good test batsman.
He looks really ugly. Like yeah, Rory Burns actually looks better because he looks little bit confused. So he's at least. But Dino Elgar is very solid. And again, I think Rassie van der Dusen will be one good captain option if he plays. But Rassie van der Dusen, पता नहीं ODI में तो he plays well. पता नहीं Test में if he can be
He
a
had
good
one good
batsman.
knock in Karachi. I think he made like 80 odd there in Test match.
He is a good batsman, late bloomer.
And if you remember
Let's
that
see.
series, Pakistan beat Australia 2-0 at home, but South Africa. But
South
South Africa
Africa.
competed in both the games. Yeah, South Africa were close. They only lost by 100 runs or like few wickets. So yeah, for me,
Yeah,
my
South
fantasy picks
Africa- Yeah.
would be all rounders. I think someone like Roston Chase or Jason Holder.
South Africa has good lower middle order batting like George Linde and
Yeah, George
Keshav
Linde can-
Maharaj, and ye log milke they can Bian Mulder if they play well. it
Yeah,
can be a
hopefully
big-
Deacock play well this time. I mean, he has disappointed in the last few series, but maybe Deacock can also play well with these tailenders because he has an aggressive game. So because these tail can hang around with him, they can actually post good total if Deacock plays well.
But I think again the deciding factor will be the West Indies bowling. Jason Holder and Kemar Roach and Gabriel. Gabriel had a bad series in the last series. Which
Yeah.
So I hope. I somehow feel this series is going to be very, very close. Maybe I feel 1-0 or 0-0. 1-0 to West Indies, I feel. Yeah, 1-0 to West Indies. Yeah.
Kunal, what
I
do you
feel
think?
that-
And what's your
I
fantasy
feel this
picks?
will be close because I mean South Africa is not bad a team and New Zealand is not. I mean and West Indies is not that good a team. Both have pretty new
And your-
players, but South Africa does have some experience coming into this. Believe it will be 1-1 because yeah, these days we don't see a lot of drawn test matches.
Yeah.
And when it
And your
comes to
fantasy
fantasy,
picks?
yeah, when it comes to fantasy, it's the same. Usually, I think Dean Elgar, I'll persist with Deacock. I'll pick up Holder. Then yeah, we'll have to figure out other players are Anderson is there, but yeah, other players will have to figure out mostly new names.
Do you think Alzari Joseph will get a game or he should get a game?
I'm not sure who West Indies play usually.
Yeah, he should definitely get a game. Alzari Joseph should get a game. But again, he's unpredictable, just like Shannon Gabriel. Matlab, but
He's
yeah,
more
you
reliable with
can
the bat.
you can expect some runs from Joseph. That is the one thing. So
Okay.
I won't be watching much of this series. I'll be following England, New Zealand more than this, I guess. But
I think
let's
I will
hope-
watch this whole series because the timings were better for me. The West Indies is only a few hours away. So,
Yeah.
okay. So with that, guys, I think we'll wrap up this preview, and please continue to follow Cricket Caviar on Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube. The World Test Championship final is coming, so don't forget to catch the action.
See you guys.
Bye bye.